Well, hello, and welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. Today, it's been exactly 2 months since I installed this light right here, which is the Sansi LED motion security light. Want to see how it held up? Well, stay tuned. That's right, it's been 2 months today that I installed this light. And if you'd like to go see the installation and my first thoughts of this light, go ahead and click on this little tab right here, and I'll take you over to that video. Alright, so let's go ahead. I went ahead and done some testings on this at nighttime on some different weather conditions. So let me go ahead and show you what we got here so far. There you go. As you can tell, yeah, we did have some weather here. I didn't get out during the snowstorms that we had because it was just freezing. But yet, I did get out afterwards while we were still in the negatives and tested out this light. Now, again, I am 50 foot away from this light as I come out of my house. So, yeah, that's what it tests 50 feet out, and it did work perfectly every time. Even off camera, when the times I came out here, this thing never failed. It came on exactly what it was supposed to. It lit up my entire backyard. So yes, I am very happy and very pleased with this light. Now, if you need a security light for your backyard or your garage or even your front yard, I highly recommend the Sansi LED motion security light. Alright, so there'll be a link in the description below for this light and a few other lights that Sansi does have on Amazon. Go check them out. Go buy these products. I guarantee you will be happy with it. Alright, well, there you go. My final thoughts of this Sansi LED motion security light. I highly recommend it. Give it 5 stars. All right. My name is Shane, and this is Shane's Hobby Shop, and we'll see you next time.